What's up, guys? Welcome back into the YouTube channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping in. So today we are going to be talking about, I guess, a company that reached out to me and I guess kind of like a sponsorship. They sent me a product to review, and we're kind of going to dive into that. So starting off, thank you to GSTP Autoparts. They reached out, said, hey, is there anything you need off of the website? So I kind of did some research, digging on their website, and they offer a bunch of different stuff, from kind of like your diesel exhaust stuff all the way down to like some exhaust parts for like a Chevy Cruze and that different stuff. Um, and the product I landed on was this clip set. So I don't know if anybody's ever dealt with these clips before, but you go to the auto part store and you buy like a pack of 3 and it's like $5.99. This right here, it's 710 pieces, 16 different sizes, and you can get this whole kit for less than 30 bucks. I do have a discount code. Feel free. It'll be down in the description. Go check out their website, use discount code, and you can get 10% off. But yeah, like I said, this is a 710 piece kit. I'm going to open up kind of the top section here, which is nice because it does come in like 3 little carrying cases. So you little pop off the sides here, and then you have like a little case you can take with you or wherever you're working. And we're going to kind of dig into the, I'll call it like the universal kind of aspect of this kit. Like I said, there is kind of like a little size chart here. A bunch of different clips, a bunch of different sizes, and then it also tells you like how many of each one it comes with. So like 30, 100, 110, 80, which is nice. But like I said, we're gonna show the versatility of these clips. I don't know if you guys have ever done interior work or anything along those lines, but these clips, they're everywhere. And if you try and use a plastic pry bar, you might break them. They just get old, they get brittle, and then they just fall apart. So the nice thing about having this kit is, like I said, 710 pieces. Surely something in this kit will benefit you in some way. And like I said, for less than 30 bucks, and obviously you don't have to make multiple trips to and from the auto part store or wherever you're getting your clips. You got it all at home. So like I said, these are very universal. From interior, I know on like my 98 and the 97 Tahoe, the splash shield on the engine bay, it uses these clips. You have like the door panel. Just like I said, this is going to be a very universal type kit. So enough of me jabbing. Let's go over to the 98. I'm going to kind of show you in a couple different spots where these clips will come in handy. And I am glad I'm going to have this kit moving forward. All right, so I'm going to give you one reason you need to buy this clip set. So we are looking at the wheel well of my 1998 GMC K2500. Obviously, we did a lot of body work to this, and I took the splash shield out. There's 5 clips that I'll kind of pinpoint with arrows here on this screen that I had to replace. If I would have had this kit, I would have saved myself so much time running to and from the auto parts store, taking the different factory clips with me to try and match to what the auto parts store had. If I would have had this 710 piece set, I would have taken all the guesswork out, could have just popped new ones in. And the cool thing about this set is I could have put a retainer in the splash shield and made it removable. So anytime I need to take the shield out, I can take a little flat blade screwdriver, pop the tab out, leave the actual insert in the inner fender liner, just like this here. We can remove this top piece, leave the insert in the inner fender, and don't have to worry about breaking clips anymore. So there's number one. All right, now we're going to talk about the interior in these clips. I'm sure we've all dealt with our interior in some way or another, whether it's changing door speakers, popping trim panels off to change switches, taking the handle bezels off, taking mirror cap covers off, whatever it may be, these clips will save your life. Like I said, they're very universal, very easy to use, multiple different sizes for whatever it may be on your interior, whether you're taking your dash panel apart, like I said, you're taking your door panel apart, just adding something to your vehicle like I did with my lights. I broke multiple clips on this. If I would have had that kit, we could have popped something new in and saved yet another trip going to the auto part store. Alrighty guys, so we are under the hood on my truck, and reason number 3 why you need these clips. Not necessarily on my truck, but I know on a lot of the newer vehicles, a lot of like the fan shroud and a lot of the under plastic components are used with those clips. I know the grills, the front bumpers, the lower plastic pieces on the front bumpers, everything is held together with plastic clips anymore. If you're trying to work on your vehicle at home by yourself and you're pulling a front bumper off, say for instance, and you break them clips, well, you're going to have to run to the auto parts store. If you're working on your vehicle and you don't have a front bumper, can't really just pack up in it and head off to the auto parts store and get new clips. Like I said, I would highly suggest ordering this kit. At least have it on hand. Whether you're working on your own vehicle or a customer's vehicle, you will always have clips on hand, and it just makes life so much easier. You guys are still here and you haven't ran to GSTP Auto Parts and bought the kit yet? What are you waiting on? Head over there right now. Use my code right here. Save 10%. Save yourself from making multiple trips to the auto parts store. You'll thank me later. You guys are still here. Haven't made the trip yet over to the GSTPautoparts.com? Picked up your clip set? Shame. I guess you don't want to save money and make multiple trips to the auto parts store. It's on you guys. I tried to help.